How to connect Soundpad to Roblox. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, attach your current Soundpad to your laptop or PC. Once you've successfully attached it, you'll have to download an attachment, whether via their official website or via the Steam, so that you can customize and tweak around the settings directly from Soundpad or even mix the sound that you want. And once you successfully set up your soundpad, you can set that as default as what it's showing right here. Just simply hit on this one right here. You go into audio, or you can try to go into DTS audio control panel and just set soundpad as your main microphone and sound or headset. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and log in into your Roblox account, and it is actually limited to any kinds of games. As long as a voice is enabled to that experience, then you can use your Soundpad. And that's it. That's how you connect Soundpad to Roblox.